Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love music or someone who is just passionate about sharing your custom songs with the world, today's video is for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to add the custom song to your Spotify playlist. So let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app. Now open it. Now find the song that you want to add. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. Now find the song that you want to add. After locating the song, you can see there is 3-dot line on the right corner of the song. Now simply tap on it. Here you can find the option of add to playlist. Open it. You can either add the song to the existing playlist or create a new one. Then write the name of the playlist. And after that, simply tap on to create. Now the song has been added to your playlist and has been made the custom playlist that you wanted. You can add the songs in whichever playlist that you want to add. And that's it. That is how you add the custom songs on the playlist for you to listen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.